Hello guys, this is the video about how to use Moneypot. Moneypot is a virtual trading platform where we can keep track of our portfolio virtually. So in the first round of radio, we are going to conduct in this platform. So first you guys need to log in with your user ID and your password, which we sent you through mail after your successful registrations. So you guys need to enter into the stockathon and click start trading. Now you can see four sections: trade, transaction log, cash book, and portfolio. So if you want, first you guys will get rupees 20 lakh as the initial cash to create a portfolio. So if you want to buy a stock, I am giving you example. For example, Tata Steel. So if you want to buy some 500 quantity in the Tata Steel, here you can find two options, like good for the day, good for the week. If you are feeling like the stock will perform for a week, you can go for this. Otherwise, if you want to intraday or something, good for the day. Both have not much difference, just for your reference. Okay, in this price you can click 327. Okay. Okay, let me delete my old orders. Okay, after you can see how much you are going to invest. 1,63,000 for this trade. Execute. You can see here the basic details of your order. This is the brokerage amount you are going to spend. It's 0.1%. If you want to share your trade to your peers, just click on this. Otherwise, no need. Just confirm. Now your orders will come under this pending order section. So currently the market is closed, so I cannot able to give the live example. I will explain. In the pending order, when the market price reaches your limit price, the order will get executed and it will come under this orders executed category. Then you can check your orders in this transaction log, whatever you bought and sold. Here are the few trades I made on the 29th of June. Just to see how much amount you are spent, how much brokerage amount you are spending. Then this cash book will give you how much you are debit and credit and brokerage, and it will give you the net cash worth. It's the basic details, and this is the main thing. In the portfolio section, you can see your positions of your buy sell. In this, you can see the gain and loss. This is the main thing you need to see. Net worth. So what is this means, from 20 lakh, for example, I will give if the Reliance Industries having 23,000 loss, okay, so my net worth is decreased from 20 lakhs to 18 lakhs 36,000 something. So we are shortlisting the candidates according to your net worth. So how it is working is, after market hours, take example, Monday after 3:30, we will check your portfolios by using the IDs. Then we will take the net worth. After placing all the participants net worth, we will create a leaderboard, who is in the top and who is in the bottom. You can check. It is a transparent results. At every day we will update based on your portfolio net worth. So here I can explain you. For here you can short the stock also. For example, if you're feeling that this stock is going to uh, fall hugely based on some news. Okay, I will give you one example. Titan. I'm feeling like Titan is going to fall. So I am updating some 10,000 quantity of sell at 955. So here you need to check, you are going to spend 95 lakhs 50,000. So it is apart from your cash in hand. So if you executed this also, it will not get executed. Your order will get rejected. So you need to, okay, So so you need to check. Sorry. So now you are going to spend 47,000 for selling action. You need to change here to sell if you want to short the stock. Now you can see your orders is reflected in the pending orders. After your order will get executed, it will go into the orders execute. So this will work at after the market hours of every day. We will take your net worth and update in the leaderboard. So your positions will get changed on every day. So you can see where you are standing at the end of the Friday. At the end of Friday, fifth day is the last day for this round one. You guys need to close all the positions, whatever in your portfolio. For example, if you're having 10 to 15 stocks, you need to close all the things because if you are in short side, there will be some mismatch will happen if if your position is keep opening kept opening. So you guys strictly need to close all your positions at the within 3:30 on Friday. Also, you can use various resources like TradingView, Money Control for further analysis for how at what basis you can buy the stock and news whatever is going on and the charts we can check and use some technical indicators you studied in SAPM and every subjects and keep open your minds and do whatever analysis you need to buy the stock. That's all. Thank you.